Some tips for dog buyers and owners. We all love to ask for advice. Sometimes we ask about our children, or a house repair, or even financial situations. Asking for advice about dogs is also great, and this video is a perfect place to start. You'll find a ton of tips which really change how you view your dog. Look into subsidized health care for your dog if money is tight. Many local communities, in cooperation with groups like the SPCA, offer discounted services that have proven invaluable to dog owners. Look into getting your dog spayed or neutered and vaccinated for a fraction of veterinary costs at a sponsored event probably close by to you. Just contact the SPCA or an animal shelter in your town. You should never give table scraps to your dog. This can make your dog not want to eat his dog food, and it will promote begging. In addition, table scraps are simply not good for your dog's health. They can cause obesity and other problems. Don't allow your dog to beg at the table while you are eating. Keep your dog at a healthy weight. Plenty of dogs are overweight, and just like humans, this can lead to health issues. People tend to overfeed their dogs, and many also feed them table scraps. A dog doesn't need as many calories as most people think. Talk to your vet about how much you should feed him each day, and what food is most suitable. A vet will advise you based on his size, age, and lifestyle. Remember that dogs are creatures of habit, and anything you start with him will be expected in the future. If you're not keen on him sleeping with you, don't let him do it only on occasion. Likewise, if you don't want him begging at the table, never offer him a bite of people food. He will learn and accept things if you are consistent. Exercise is vital when you own a dog. You can have him fetch things like the paper, or perform other household tasks. The training will challenge him mentally, and the affection you show for a job well done will bond him to the family routine. Since you asked for advice, and now have received it, the next step is to put it to use. That means truly implementing what you have learned and then enjoying the rewards it brings. When you see your dog sleeping peacefully, bliss on his face, you'll appreciate putting in the effort. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.